Hello all, hello students, how are you? Now it's a day 6 and we are on BODMAS in fraction. Okay, so what we have learned earlier, BODMAS and integers, we need to apply those all the same rules over here in fractions. So how we are going to apply all BODMAS rule in fractions? It's a simple, you need to understand B brackets or order, D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. Now we need to start first lecture with first question. If in a question you are having 7 upon 3 plus 2 upon 4 multiply by 3 upon 9 division 7, so as per the rule bracket is there? No, so we need to start with the division. But as we know that we cannot do directly division, so what we are going to do, instead of division we are using multiplication, and then it's a 1 upon 7. Now okay, so here first is what? Addition. So we are using addition sign over here. And as well as you need to keep this one thing in your mind that 3 is convert the simply fraction in simplified form if it is possible. So yes, we are having two numbers which we can convert in simplified form. So yes, you can write this thing over here, 1 upon 2 multiply by 1 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 7. Now what? The division is done. Now what? Multiplication. Second one is what? Multiplication. So as we are having a two multiplication sign between three numbers, so first you can multiply this to 1 upon 7. Oh, why I am using this sign over here today? And 1 upon 7 and 6 sevens are, so 6 sevens are 42. Now what is the LCM of 3 and 42? Directly you cannot add those number, you cannot write 8 upon 45, but you can write this thing after the simplification. So yes, you are having here 14 sevens are divided by 3 upon 340 into 3. So now understand this thing very clearly. Again, I am reminding those all the things. Whenever you are having addition and subtraction, you have to take LCM. Now back to the normal calculation. 14 sevens are, so if you are having the table of 14, you can write 14 sevens are 98 and 42 plus 1 upon 42. Again, understand the addition subtraction game. For addition subtraction you have to take LCM. 99 upon 42. Then we are having the second question, 3 upon 4. So as we are having a bracket over here, first we need to solve bracket, but in bracket again we are having multiplication. So first we need to solve multiplication. Can we cut anything? Yes, cross division. So I'm having 7 upon 3 plus 3 divided by 2. 3 upon 4 minus 7 upon 3 plus, can I consider 3 upon 1? Yes, 3 upon 4. Now I am taking LCM because the directly addition I can't do. So I am multiplying this bracket with 3 not whole. So 7 upon 3 plus 9 upon 3 divided by 2. So it is now 7 plus 9, 16 upon 3 divided by 2. But as well as I am doing the same thing, I cannot divide directly. So I am using 1 upon 2. 2 4s are 16. Now I am having 3 upon 4 minus 4 upon 3. Ta-da! Again, directly subtraction I can't do. So what can I do is LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. 3 3s are 9 upon 12 minus 4 4s are 8 upon 12. And 9 minus 8, simple. So 1 upon 12. Clear? 9 upon 2, 3 upon 2. So first of all, 9 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2, take this thing as it is. The higher level addition subtraction in BODMAS and in fraction is giving you that type of freedom that you can directly simplify addition subtraction from here also, but in a special case. Okay, so directly if I am not having a multiplication division sign after this number or after this number, then you can subtract or add this thing directly. So 9 minus 3 is what? 6 upon 2 plus here 3 2s are 6 divided by 4, or you can do anything. Okay, you can first 2 divided by 4, you can write 1 upon 2. 6, here I can write 3 plus 3 upon 2. If I simplify this thing, I'm taking this over here 1 and take LCM 2. 2 3s are 6 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2, and my final answer is what? 9 upon 2. Now it's your choice to convert this thing into mixed fraction. If you're having habit, then convert this into fixed fraction. Either it is not necessary to convert all those things. Just what is the necessary understanding and method how to solve fraction and BODMAS. Am I clear? This is the most important part that you need to learn because it is helpful for your 8th, 9th, 10th grade. Okay, if you forgot to solve fraction, then it may be create a chaos for you. Okay, so I'm not giving you any kind of threat, but you need to understand this is a very, very, like we can say that a specific things that you have to be clear. Okay, then here we are having 3 by 2 multiply by 1 upon 7. Now I'm having a bar bracket. So first of all, you need to solve a bar bracket. So how we are going to solve? Consider this bar bracket as a normal bracket. So we need to use LCM over here as we are having 1. So multiply with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3 minus 2 upon 3. Bar is over here, multiply by 7. Now 3 by 2 multiply by 1 upon 7 minus 7 upon 3 multiply by 7. Now 3 by 2 multiply by 1 upon 7 minus. We are having multiply over here and over here also. So you can do both multiply at like simultaneously, or if you are having the different thing in your mind, then you can do this thing also. Here we have missed one thing. 2 is here. So 7 sevens are 49 upon 3. 3 upon 14 minus 49 upon 3. Now what is the LCM of 14 and 3? So as we are not having any common terms, so we can consider 14 3s are 42. So here we are multiplying with 3 and here we are multiplying with 14. Clear? 3 3s are 9 and obviously 14 3s are 42. Here we are having the 49. 14s are is 686 divided by 42. Now 9 minus 686. Again the first story of our picture, day 1. If I am having one negative, one positive, both are in opposite team, so who is going to win? Who is having the more hours? More hours is here with number negative. So what is my answer? Whatever, but it is in negative, and my answer is 677. Yes, 677. So this how the fraction thing is working with BODMAS. So you need to understand this thing very, very carefully. I'll try to add few questions of BODMAS in fraction. You can solve, and if you are having doubt, you can ask me. Okay, that's it for now. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.